Come on, support me. Let's go. Come on. Hurry up, they're waiting. Keep going. Go.
Steven limping in.
Yeah.
He hit his
This table on the way out.
phone in front desk.
All right, everyone. Today we're going to talk about Java.
Java. I don't think we actually need to see the screen. This is just Katie looking for the page that she forgot to send herself.
All right,
So specifically,
Java 11.
Java 11. As many of you are already aware, Java is kind of changing how they do things, and they're changing their EULA, and the Java 11 is now going to be a paid thing. So we are no longer going to be able to put it in our package library.
They're ending the public updates for Java 8.
Yeah.
They put out an
And
update,
on.
surprisingly, a couple days ago, which I thought was fun, but, you know. Oh, and they changed the page that I was looking for. Neat.
Yeah.
Never mind. Boring illustration. Anyway, so yeah, we've looked at it. We've been looking at it for a little while because they've been putting out point releases for Java 11 recently, but they have had a big scary banner on their page saying "Read the EULA for Java 11," which unfortunately prohibits us from
Right.
distributing Java 11. So for the moment, actual Java 11 is out.
Mm-hmm.
What we're going to investigate with lots of hope and
Yeah.
full hearts is the OpenJDK 11.
Mm-hmm.
So, good alternative.
Yeah. There aren't any like installers for OpenJDK, but we're going to see what we can do. So,
Yeah.
yeah. And that is kind of our update. So,
Yeah, we've gotten a lot of questions about Java lately just
Yeah.
because it's been a hot topic, I think.
absolutely.
So, hopefully, their changes for the better, especially with distributing Java with Java applications, is
Mhm.
going to make the need for Java 8 less pressing,
Mm-hmm.
but
Yeah.
Time
Well,
will
we'll
tell.
keep updating you guys.
yeah,
Okay. Short and sweet today.
short and sweet.
Yep,
Get on back up here.
good old Java.